Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook post for free using Canva online system. So to start creating a Facebook post for free, we need to go into Canva. Once you go into Canva, you just go into the top line and just scroll right until you find Facebook post. So we're going to select this one, the landscape one, which is 940 by 788, which is the correct size for Facebook post. Once we click on this, an empty canvas will appear, and it depends on what type of post you want to do. You can add your own images on this if you need to. You just need to select uploads, and then you'll be able to upload the design of what you want. So also we have on the top, which is template. So you can just scroll through these and whatever template you want. So for example, if we want to do an invitation to a party, so we can just use this. So this will be a summer party. Now you can change all the fonts and text and sizes to whatever you want. So I'll probably do about 80 just to make it clear, or bigger if need be. And then we can change the date and time by just selecting the text. And then you can just select this and change this as your address or whatever you would like it to be. So this post will obviously be for your friends and families who have been invited to the party itself, for example. And then you'll be able to drag this and change the location of this if need be. Same with this, and if you want to make it bigger. You are also able to make the size bigger and smaller, but you can change the position. For example, if we select the umbrella, we can select position here, and then we'll be able to bring it forward. If you can see, it's coming front, and if it's here, we can just press forward again, and eventually it will come to the front again, and we can send it backwards if we need to. Now this is in front of the coconut, so we can send it backwards. Now it's gone behind, and same for all of these pictures. So that's at the back at the moment, so we can send that to the front, and it will cover the text. We can send it to the back, and the text will show again. And again, we can make this larger or smaller. And you are able to change the text color and font, increase the size or decrease the size as well. You can make it bold. You can just drag the icons on the top, on the corner, and that will increase or decrease the text itself. And again, we can just highlight it and change color if we need to whatever color you think would be best. So once you have selected the color, we can also move the text around if we need to. Once you're happy with everything, you can press share. To save it, you need to press download, and once you've downloaded it, you can upload onto your Facebook. Thank you very much for watching today.